In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a support ticket system in Clickup. Managing support tickets effectively is crucial for staying on top of customer or team requests and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Clickup, a powerful project management tool, makes it easy to streamline this process with its customizable features. Whether you're addressing client inquiries, internal IT requests, or any other type of support need, this system can help you stay organized and efficient. Let's dive in and set up your support ticket system step by step. First, open your Clickup Workspace. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct workspace where you want to manage your support tickets. This is important to make sure all your tasks and lists are in the right place and accessible to the team that will be using them. Once you've verified your workspace, navigate to the specific project you'd like to use for your support ticket system. Think of this project as the home base for all incoming requests. If you don't already have a dedicated project for support, you can create one here. But for now, we'll assume you've already chosen the right project. Within your selected project, click the option to add a new list. This list will serve as the foundation of your support ticket system. It's where all your support requests will live, so it's essential to keep it well structured. Next, name your new list. Something straightforward and clear, such as support ticket system. You can choose a different name if it better suits your needs, but make sure it's descriptive enough that anyone on your team can instantly understand its purpose. Clickup will then suggest some default settings for your new list, including fields, statuses, and templates designed to help you get started quickly. Accept these AI-suggested settings to save time and ensure you have the basics in place. Once your list is created, take a moment to review the automatically generated statuses. By default, you'll likely see statuses such as New Request, In Progress, and Resolved. These statuses represent the different stages a support ticket might go through and help you track progress at a glance. If needed, you can customize the list later to better fit your team's workflow. For example, you might want to add priority tags to indicate the urgency of a request, create extra fields for additional information, or modify the statuses to align with your unique process. Customization is entirely optional at this stage, but it's a great way to fine-tune the system as your needs evolve. Now that your support ticket system is ready to go, you can start using it right away. Begin by creating individual tasks for each support request within the list. Each task will act as a ticket, allowing you to assign it to the right person, set deadlines, and include all relevant details. If you don't already have a Clickup account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. And there you have it. Your support ticket system in Clickup is now up and running, helping you manage requests with ease and stay on top of your workload. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.